Welcome to Yell, Sweat, and Cheers. Today I'm going to share how to make a scrumptious spinach wrap sandwich. These are the ingredients I will be using for my spinach wrap sandwich. It's not really going to be a wrap because it's going to be a flat sandwich. So I have turkey bacon, the spinach wrap. I will be using Smart Balance. I have some eggs. I will be using 1 egg on my sandwich. These are the spices: black pepper, cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, and I will be putting some garlic on there too. The garlic is not over here with the rest of the spices, and I use sharp cheddar cheese for this particular wrap today. So I'm going to get started here, cooking the bacon first. So on my skillet, I put some olive oil to keep the turkey bacon from sticking. So I'm going to just put the turkey bacon on here, let it fry. I usually fry more than one piece. I usually put 2 pieces on my sandwich, but I'm frying all of this at once. So when it's time to do it again tomorrow, it won't take as long to cook. So I'll put this turkey bacon here and let it fry. Yes, we let it fry up, and I like mine a little crispy. I'm not going to let all of it crisped today so that it won't be so hard the next time. So anyway, this is the turkey bacon that will be placed on my sandwich. So we'll let that cook, and then we'll put some more things with the sandwich. Now I'm putting some Smart Balance in the skillet. Let it melt. So this is for the wrap that I will be using. So let it melt, and then I'm going to coat the wrap with the Smart Balance. So I put the wrap in it on that side, and then I flip it over, and the fire will be turned up so that it can get crispy. I like it crispy. Now this is how I do mine. You can do yours the way you want to, but this is what I do, and I know it's going to be so good to my taste. So this is the next step in getting the sandwich ready. So we'll let that brown a bit. Okay, I'm going to check to see if it's browning on the other side, and it's getting a little brown. I want it to be a little bit more crispy than that, so we'll let it sit there just a few more minutes or a second or so. All right, I'm going to flip the wrap over. See how brown it is? It looks lovely. It looks golden brown. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. This is what I like, and I hope that you like what I'm doing so that you can do it for yourself and see how it tastes to you. All right? When I flip it over, I get my cheese because I want the cheese to melt on the wrap. So I get my cheese, and it depends on how much cheese you like. Some people like more cheese and some like less. So I just put it on there and let it sit there for a little while, and while it's browning, it's going to melt the cheese. While the wrap is browning and the cheese is melting, I get my egg ready. So I get ready to put the egg. Smart Balance in there, and then we crack the egg. Yep, so the egg is there. So I'm going to put some seasoning on the egg. I have some black pepper. So it just depends on how much pepper you like, how much seasoning you like. So I put the black pepper. I have the garlic. Sprinkle that on there. Garlic seasoning. You have cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is good for the blood for me. I've seen it work for me many times, and so I just like to put that on my food. And a little bit of salt. Sometimes I put seasoning salt. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to put this regular iodized salt, just a little sprinkle there. And it should be ready to be flipped over. So I get it ready to flip it over. So we have flipped it over. We're going to let it cook on the other side. There we go. So we have flipped it over. It is cooking on the other side. Okay, so we're about to finish the spinach wrap sandwich. I have the egg, which I have cooked, and it's seasoned with pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper. I put a little bit of salt on there and garlic. As you can tell in some of these videos, I love garlic. So what I do is cut the bacon in half. This is turkey bacon, and I cut it in half, and I stick it on the sandwich. I put it there. The cheese is there, as you can see. I really love cheese. And then I just fold it over. And there is my sandwich. My oatmeal is ready. So my breakfast is ready for this morning. So I hope that you enjoyed watching and you will do this recipe. This is beautiful, being able to eat healthy foods to increase the impact of your exercise. So all of this goes together. The oatmeal with cinnamon and brown sugar with some butter in there. With this breakfast, I am adding some ginger turmeric tea. I drink a lot of tea, so this is the tea I'm having today. Ginger turmeric tea. So you can add tea to your breakfast. It's good to drink something warm or hot with your meals. So that's what I'm doing today. Thank you once again for watching. God bless. This is Darlene D with Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. Remember to get your exercise in. As you eat wonderful foods, you will see change in your body, change in your thoughts, and change in how you live.